Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to join the affiliate program of Target in 2023. So if you're interested to monetizing your websites or blog by promoting Target's products and earning commissions, joining the Target affiliates program is a great opportunity. As a trusted retailer offering a wide range of products, Targets provide an attractive affiliate program for content creators. So in this tutorial, we'll guide you through the steps of joining Target's affiliates program in 2023. So let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience. So first, let's start by opening whatever browser we are going to use to follow this tutorial step. So here in my case, I'm actually going to use the Brave browser. And of course, in your case, you can use any other browser that you possibly have. So once you open your browser, you can simply go to this URL section, simply visit the Target Affiliate Program website. So you will have to go and type as an example. So we can simply type Target Affiliate Program and hit the enter button. And as you can see, we'll find here the first link, Earn with Target's Partners, Target's official affiliates program. So click on it, and of course, this will take you to the Target's affiliates program. So if you have an account, you can simply click on sign in. And of course, if you want to apply, click on apply now. So as you can see, partner with the brand you love. Earn up to 8% when you promote your favorite Target finds with our partner program. Of course, it's always on and open to all, so you can ease into the content creation anytime, whether you're an influencer, blogger, or affiliate. As you can see here, if you scroll down, you'll read all informations or more informations about this affiliates program. And of course, let's just click on apply now right away. Of course, before for you, as an example, to apply now, you will have to go and review the program affiliates and policies. So before proceeding with the application process, take the time to review the program's requirements and policies and ensure that you meet the eligibility criteria such as having a functional website or blog with relevant content and complying with the target terms and conditions. Once you meet the requirement of the program, you can simply click on apply now as I showed you before, and of course you'll have to wait a bit until you find this option or this page. As you can see, you're a few steps away from an awesome partnership. Partner with Target and discover commissions opportunities with over 1 million products, new deals each week, and each payment tracking, and so much more. So if you already have an account, as an example on Target, you can simply click on login, and this will fill normally with this your information, so you don't have to fill them manually. If you didn't have an account, you can simply go and start filling everything manually, starting with your first name, last name, email, and confirming your email, and then entering your username, password, and confirming the password. Of course, if they have any requirement, they will tell you once you type it. And of course, once you're done with this, you will have to go and enter your company information. So simply enter your account display name, the company website, the country, street address 1, street address 2, and city, state, zip, and the phone number right here, of course, with the country that you are in, the currency, and the time zone. Of course, then once you finish, you'll have to go and enter the promotional informations. So you'll have to go and enter your business model and property type, whatever you have. And of course, here we come to the most important part, which is the agreement. Of course, you can download the program terms from here as examples if you want to read them like offline or somewhere else. And of course, here you'll find all the agreement that you want. So make sure to read all this agreements here. As you can see, make sure to read them all so you'll be aware of everything and you will not have any problem with them in the future. So, for example, you'll have to finish all of this. And once you finish, you'll have to go and click on sign up. And of course, by clicking on sign up, I confirm that I have read and understand and acknowledge and accept the foregoing terms and I agree to be bound by them. The terms here that I will download from here. So once you click on it, you will have now to wait. Once you submit after completing your application form and agreeing to the terms and conditions, you will have to, of course, review, first of all, the application for accuracy. And once you're satisfied, you'll have to go and submit your application by clicking at the sign up button. You may receive a confirmation email acknowledging the receipt of your application. And of course, the duration for application review can vary. And it typically takes a few business days to a couple of weeks. During this period, Target's affiliates team will evaluate your application and or determine if your website or blog meets their criteria. And of course, if your application is approved, you will receive an email notification with instructions on how to access the target affiliates program account. You will have to go and follow the provided instructions to your email that is sent to your email to log in and gain access to the affiliate dashboard. Once you do so, of course, you will have to go and generate affiliate link and promotional materials. So within your affiliate dashboard, once you're logged in into your account, you will have to go and generate, or you will find tools and resources to generate affiliate links and promotional materials. And of course, Target typically provides banners, products widgets, and text links that you can incorporate into your website, as an example, your blog or your social media or blog content to promote the Target products. Of course, then you will have to go and start promoting Target's products and earn your commissions. So with access to your affiliate accounts and promotional materials, you can now start in targeting the Target affiliate link into your content. So make sure to write the products review, create gift cards or gift guides, or include the targeted the targeted banners to showcase and recommend the target's products as visitors. Or as visitors, of course, you can click on the affiliate link and make purchases, and you will earn commissions based on the program commission structure. Of course, you can set that by your own. As an example, you can act as a buyer or as a visitor and go and buy something from Target, as an example, and see if everything is working correctly. You get your commission on the dashboard once you logged in into the Target's dashboard. So, as a summary, of course, as you can see, easy to sign up, pair up with the brand you love, and create awesome content anytime, whether you're an influencer, blogger, or affiliate. Loads of inspiration, create content whenever you feel inspired with promos, newsletter, and over 1 million products to choose from, and easy to earn. Earn up to 8% with our commission structures, and the more you refer and sell, the more you earn and enjoy, as you can see. So simply apply. If you get approved, you will get your link or your whatever they will give you. So people when you click that on that link, or if they give you a code or something like that, people if they enter their code that code or enter your link and buy from that, you'll earn your commissions and you'll be good to go. So, if you reached this point of this video, congratulations! By following these steps and joining the Target Affiliate Program in 2023, you can leverage the popularity of Target's products and earn commission through your websites or blog or social media. Remember to create a remember to create a high quality content, strategically promote Target's products, and continually optimize your affiliate marketing efforts. So, best of luck with your affiliate journey with the Target Affiliate Program. And if you like this video, make sure to leave a like down below and subscribe for our channels for more helpful tutorials like this one. And I will see you in the next video.